Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I have my camera here. And I will be showing you how I edit my landscape photography photos that are panoramic, or panorama. So first of all, what you want to do is, here I have my photos, and I took 4 for this panorama. So I will press Shift and then click. Do that once more. I'll just select the first photo, hold Shift, click on the last photo. Then I will right click with my mouse and I will press, here it is, photo merge and panorama merge. You can also do Control M to do that. Here it shows our preview. Now it looks pretty horrible right now, but we will fix all of this. Press merge, and as you can see, we have our merged photo right here. So we can double click on that to open it, and here it is. So first of all, I will go into my edit tab here, go down and remove chromatic aberration, as well as enable lens corrections. And this will automatically apply predetermined fixes to your specific lens. As you can see, it detected my Tamron 20mm lens. And now I'll go into the geometry panel here and fix the distortion just a bit more, just like that. Well, +9 or so. And now I will go into the light tab here, and as you can see, it's already applied edits to my photo, but I'll just reset those edits. And now I will just continue to edit my photo as usual. You can see how this is done in my landscape photography editing video. I will link that right here. But I think this is best done in a time lapse. Great. Here we have our photo. Now I will crop it. For this photo, I'll probably go for an 8x10 crop. I really don't have to change what this automatically gave me for the crop, so maybe just like that. And now I'm going to follow my own video, which is burning and dodging. I will link that right here, or here, not sure which one, but you can follow that tutorial. Once again, let's do a time lapse. Great. Now that's completed, here is our final image. Now, I hope you learned something. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.